Welcome to Our Daily Health. Hibiscus for hair growth. 6 natural hibiscus hair masks for long and shiny hair. Hibiscus is a bright, large, and beautiful flower belonging to the Malvaceae family. There are several hundred species of this beauty, and they vary in location and climate. Hibiscus is as large as 6 inches wide. It comes in several colors, from red, white, yellow, or peach, with the most common variety being Hibiscus sabdurifa. Hibiscus is not only beautiful, but it also has medicinal uses. Its leaves and flowers can be made into teas and can be used to treat several disease conditions. You are probably more familiar with the use of hibiscus for herbal tea and its many health benefits for the body. But these beautiful flowers also do wonders for your hair, from hair growth to hair cleansing, and many more benefits we will be exploring in this video. Hibiscus contains anti-inflammatory polyphenols that can help prevent hair loss and graying. It is also packed with lots of minerals and vitamins, including vitamin C, which can be extremely beneficial for your hair. Vitamin C helps boost hair regrowth from inactive follicles. Delve into this video and find out how you can use hibiscus for hair growth with 6 natural hibiscus hair masks you can start using for long and shiny hair. Hibiscus benefits for hair growth and care. Number 1. If your hair has shrunk or lost its shine over the years, then hibiscus has a lot to offer you. Hibiscus contains naturally occurring amino acids, collagen, which provides the hair with keratin and many nutrients that can boost hair growth. Keratin is an essential protein that is responsible for hair structure. It strengthens your hair and prevents breakage, thus increasing hair thickness. So, why not just use keratin treatment, you may ask? Keratin treatments can actually damage your hair because of the ingredients it contains and the high heat needed for the technique. Keratin treatments are only a temporary solution for silky and lustrous hair. Why not use hibiscus for hair growth and long-lasting shine? Plus, it saves you so much. Number 2. Hibiscus may actually prevent baldness. In one study, the leaf extract of Hibiscus rosa sinensis significantly had potency on hair growth when compared to the flower extract. Number 3. Hibiscus preserves the natural oils, which would have been lost from using most shampoos. Hibiscus contains mucilage, which makes it a great natural conditioner. It nourishes the hair and preserves its natural moisture content. Number 4. Hibiscus is packed with antioxidants and vitamins which help in producing melanin, a pigment responsible for the hair's natural color. You can start using hibiscus as a natural dye to hide gray hair. Number 5. Hibiscus acts as an astringent. It reduces oil secreted by the glands, thereby preventing hair problems like dandruff and itchy scalp. It also regulates the hair's pH and has a cooling effect on the hair. If you are enjoying this video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Our Daily Health. Now that you know the many benefits of hibiscus, let's delve into 6 natural hibiscus hair masks you can make for long and shining hair. Number 1. Hibiscus and egg hair mask. Egg white is packed with proteins that can help boost healthy hair, heal damages, and reverse hair loss. Combine hibiscus with egg white for reducing oiliness and preventing hair loss. These masks also help balance your scalp's pH levels and improve hair growth. You will need 2 to 3 hibiscus flowers, 2 to 3 egg whites. Instructions: grind the hibiscus flowers into a paste using your grinder. Combine the ground hibiscus flowers with the egg whites and mix thoroughly. Apply the mixture to your scalp and hair. Leave for about 30 minutes. Wash with a mild shampoo. Number 2. Hibiscus and fenugreek hair mask. Dandruff is everyone's nightmare. It just seems to appear out of nowhere and stick around for so long. Don't give up hope just yet. This duo can actually help eliminate dandruff. Fenugreek contains lots of protein and nicotinic acid, which is beneficial in treating many scalp issues, including dandruff. You will need 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds, 1 tablespoon of ground hibiscus leaves, 1/4 cup of buttermilk. Instructions: combine ground hibiscus leaves with 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds and buttermilk. Apply the mixture to your scalp and hair and massage gently. Leave the mixture for about an hour. Wash with mild shampoo. Number 3. Hibiscus and yogurt hair mask. This mask is ideal if you want healthy and stronger hair. Yogurt has a cooling effect on the scalp and acts as an anti-inflammatory agent. It cleanses the scalp, removes dead skin cells, and also improves hair follicle growth. You will need 3 tablespoons of ground hibiscus leaves and flowers, 8 tablespoons of yogurt. Instructions: combine ground hibiscus leaves and flowers with yogurt thoroughly. Apply the mixture gently to your hair and scalp. Leave for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Wash off with mild shampoo. You can also add aloe vera gel, honey, or coconut milk to the hibiscus and yogurt mask for more effectiveness. You can use this mask once weekly to strengthen your hair. Number 4. Hibiscus and ginger hair mask. Ginger can boost scalp circulation and stimulates the hair follicles, thereby improving hair growth. Combine this with hibiscus and you get a powerful solution for reversing hair loss. You will need 3 hibiscus flowers, 2 to 3 tablespoons of ginger juice. Instructions: grind the hibiscus flowers into a paste, add the ginger juice and mix well. Apply the mixture to your hair and scalp, leave for about 30 minutes. Wash with mild shampoo. Number 5. Hibiscus and coconut milk hair mask. Coconut milk is high in lauric acid, which penetrates the hair easily and strengthens the hair cuticle. It is also packed with proteins and vitamins that help to strengthen, moisturize, and promote healthy hair growth. Together with hibiscus, they can prevent split ends and repair hair damages. You will need 2 to 3 hibiscus flowers, 2 tablespoons of coconut milk. Instructions: grind the hibiscus flowers into a paste, add the coconut milk to the paste and mix thoroughly. Apply the mixture to your hair, leave for about 20 minutes, wash with a mild shampoo. You can use this hair mask once a week for healthier hair. Number 6. Hibiscus and almond oil mask. This is a very easy mask to make. Plus, it provides nourishment to your hair and scalp and boosts hair growth. You can also use olive oil instead of almond oil. They can both help moisten and strengthen the hair. You will need 2 to 3 hibiscus flowers and leaves, 1 teaspoon of olive or almond oil. Instructions: grind the hibiscus flowers and leaves into a thick paste. Add olive or almond oil to the mixture and mix thoroughly. Apply this paste to your hair and scalp, leave for about 30 minutes, wash off with mild shampoo. You can use this hair mask 2 to 3 times every week for your hair. Hibiscus is not just your usual beautiful garden flower. It is powerful and packed with so many benefits for your body, skin, and hair. It is easy to implement without harmful side effects. Which hibiscus hair mask do you like? Comment your answer below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health and wellness topics, please subscribe to Our Daily Health.